Hi, today in front of me Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first, let's open once again the Muviz Edge application. Here let's select one from the available tabs. Tap to apply. Click to backgrounds. If you want to change the backgrounds, just to change them you should swipe to the up or to the down. Then just tap to apply. Here we got also music control section. We could hide them after 10 seconds or an hour. Just slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. In notification section we got here the show notifications and show date in calendar section. Switchers, just to show date and notifications we should click on the switchers. Tap to the battery section. We could also switch here the show battery status from always while charging or to never. Click to go back to this X icon and switch AD to the settings. Tap here to always on display. Here we should require the permissions. Just tap to the permissions. Okay, everything is allowed. Click here to manage notifications. Also we got here everything is okay. Open by default. Notifications. Okay. So let's go back. Okay. Here we could see the shown on screen lock option always while charging on music. We could use this two options separately or together. Here we got the brightness level. We could decrease and increase it. Also we got here the timeout section. We could switch the timeout from 5 seconds to never. Also the low power after. To change the screen orientation from auto to portrait landscape or reverse landscape, to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it with a fingerprint if you use the fingerprint unlock methods, to close it on screen off, to set the shadow, to start the end time, to activate or turn off the pocket mode option, and to disable the AD option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize AD option on our Oppo device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.